Chase and I are starting a hike into the Alpine. It's my first Alpine hike this year. We're going to head up to these lakes and maybe get a summit, maybe 2 summits. And this is his first time doing an overnighter with me. So good luck on Chase here. Any words you want to share? Come on, Chase, you got to say something nice. You're excited.
I just hope you don't trip, and I got to try to drag you back down this.
That is a risk for sure, and that's why he's here, to get me home.
And crashing the drone. I don't want to lose a drone, but you know, I should have even said it out loud.
He's got 2 drones with him. He's carrying them on his outside of his pack. I got 1 drone in the back of my pack. There's our line. We're going to head right up there to the ridge and then drop down the backside and go up another gully. And that'll take us to the lake where we're going to camp at. And I'm starting to sweat. Climb, Chase, climb. No, I didn't say run. Damn it. Come across this trail and we figure that it'll take us right to the top. Hey, Chase?
It's looking that way.
Seems to go in the right direction, same way we're going. So we're...
Good animals know the easiest way up, so follow them, eh?
And today we are the animals. The animals! Definitely a cool spot. Very cool waterfall. That's a bit of a grunt, but we got up here. Chase was crying a few times, and I can't do it, I can't do it. But you know, I kept encouraging him, you can do it, Chase.
Yeah, really dragged me along on that.
Yeah, I know.
It's okay though.
Set up. Chase is getting set up to fly his FPV. And where are you taking it first?
I think we're gonna go follow one of these faults and get up on the ridge line, and we'll see what the lighting's like, whether or not we decide to do a full run top to bottom to the peak, down into the fall, along the lake.
Oh yeah, definitely sunlight up there.
So Chase was flying his FPV and He lost it. Now we're on the hunt for it.
Well, just crashed, not totally lost yet.
Now he figures he knows where it's at. Yeah, we're gonna get it. Whoa. Chase is rushing to get his drone. Doesn't care about wet feet anymore. I still care about wet feet. Found the drone.
It flies! It lives!
He gets to keep it for another day. Well, we got up early this morning. We're up at 5:30 and the summit's up there. I don't think we're gonna make it like I was planning to, but we did already a little drone fly this morning, and now we're going to head up to the call up there and do some flying from up there at least and check it out. And yeah, that's the agenda today. Go up there, get back, and get home. This kid's fucking fast. Why do you gotta be so fast?
Because I don't got any weight on me now.
Holy shit. Yeah. I don't want to fall down that. Whoa. Yeah. Look at Chase showing off on top of that big rock. I believe we found another beautiful spot. We're just going to go up to there today. I was hoping to, well, maybe you never know. Maybe we should try the summit. That would be fun. It's not that far. It'll be like another hour. We'll see. So it took us like an hour to get up to the call, and we're going to fly our drones here. And this is where we're at. We got up to there, and then this is our view. There's a waterfall right there. We're both going to fly. It looks pretty sweet. And then in the background, there's Rugged Mountain. And I'm going to fly down to this lake there, and there's another lake over there I want to fly to with another cool looking waterfall. And all this area is really cool. And you're not going to lose your drone, right, Chase? No,
I'm not.
he's not going to lose his drone because I want to use his footage. I'm going to use his footage from that waterfall. That is the plan that I have. I'll just hope that his plan and my plan work out.
We'll just have to take it off, hand launch it.
Good job. came, we hiked, we flew, we enjoyed the views, and now we go. Well, I'm tired.
Oh yeah.
We just got out of the off the hill. We're just about into the slash. That was fast. We did it pretty quick, but I'm definitely feeling my age right now. So we're gonna have a bite to eat and get the heck out here and go home.